Imagine having an employee who never sleeps, never asks for a raise, and costs less than your coffee. That's an AI agent. Not a chatbot you poke once in a while. An autonomous digital employee that takes a goal, plans the steps, and executes across your apps. Picture this: neon blue dashboards humming with motion. A hologram assistant routes emails, books flights, and fills your calendar. No hand-holding. A robot rolls by, scanning inventory while a virtual agent negotiates a supplier discount in the background. Here's the proof. Scheduling: give the agent your preferences. Meeting lengths: no Fridays after 3. And it handles the back and forth across time zones. Research: ask for a one-page brief on competitors, with citations and cost breakdowns, and your agent pulls data, ranks sources, and delivers a clean summary with links. Customer support: it reads the knowledge base, drafts replies, resolves common tickets, and escalates only the weird edge cases. This isn't sci-fi. It's happening today. Startups run lean teams because agents cover entry-level tasks. Solo founders spin up mini-agency workflows: prospecting, outreach, proposals, invoicing, automated. Real entrepreneurs are making money on autopilot. Agents collect leads at night, schedule demos before sunrise, and send contracts by the time you wake up. How does it work? Think of an AI agent as a stack. At the top, a goal. In the middle, a planner that breaks the goal into steps. Underneath, tools it can use: email, calendar, spreadsheets, CRMs, browsers, APIs. It runs checks, asks for clarification if needed, and learns from feedback. What can you automate today? Inbox triage with smart labels and draft replies. Calendar orchestration with travel buffers and focus blocks. Lead scraping, enrichment, and intro emails. Research briefs with sources and quick takeaways. Help desk first responses with tone control and safe escalation. Will agents replace jobs? They're already replacing parts of jobs, especially repetitive entry-level tasks. But here's the flip side. New roles are popping up fast: agent ops, prompt engineers, workflow designers, AI QA, compliance wranglers. The opportunity is learning to manage the fleet. If this feels big, start small. Pick one bottleneck. Define done. Give your agent the tools. Review, refine, repeat. In a week, you'll wonder why you waited.